You will be amazed by this 2015 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, power driver seat, electronic stability control, rear spoiler. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.